Are you tired of your moi moi coming out watery, bland, or falling apart? In this video, I'm going to show you step by step, the exact step by step, how to go about it in order to get that rich, fluffy, and perfectly set Nigerian moi moi every single time. Whether you are using leaves, pouches, or container, these 3 hidden tips will change your cooking game forever. I'm talking about the perfect pepper to beans ratio and the seasoning secrets that most people skip. These are what you will learn in this video. The best way to peel your beans in under 5 minutes. How to achieve a vibrant red moi moi without applying coloring. I mean artificial coloring. The steam secrets for that melt in your mouth texture. 3, 2, 1. The first thing you want to do is to soak your beans inside water for few minutes, then go in and wash like so. You can as well use a mortar and pestle to do it. After you are satisfied with your peeling, then you go in with your onions, your pepper, and any other thing you want to grind, but ensure you don't peel all the backs. After blending, since I didn't grind my pepper with it, I'm going into my dry pepper. I made it myself. Then I'll be generous with my crayfish. You want to be generous with your crayfish, you understand? In order to make it fluffy and rich, I'm adding 4 eggs. Since I grinded 4 cups of beans, you get the ratio like I'm describing it. 4 cups of beans, I'm adding 4 eggs. I'm only adding 6 cubes of seasoning. I'm not adding all the seasoning that I'm showing you. I'm only adding 6 cubes of seasoning and a little bit of salt. You don't want it to be too much. Next, I'm going in with my palm oil. You want to be generous with it. Then I'm adding my vegetable oil. I'm going in with the 2. Then I whisk, or let me say I mix everything together, just like the way I'm doing. You want to be generous with your mixing. Next, I'm adding my warm water. This is another secret to mix it fluffy, if that makes sense. You want to still mix and mix so that the ingredients can infuse into each other. So I'm using nylon in this video to make my moi moi. So you want to double that nylon. But if you have a very thick nylon, no need to double it. In case of the pepper, you can use your cayenne pepper, bell pepper, the red one, or your scotch bonnet. But make sure you don't use too much because you don't want your moi moi to be peppery, if that makes sense. But in my case, I use cayenne pepper. I dried it, then grind it and keep it. So that's why I didn't use fresh pepper to it. After everything, this is how the old time will look like. Then you make sure your water is already boiling before you are putting in your moi moi, if that makes sense. As you are putting it, you can see that I'm shaking it because I don't want part of the ingredient to settle in one side. So I'm shaking it so that the ingredients can mix all together, if that makes sense. Then I cover my pot. You leave for 1 hour, and this is how the moi moi look like. Very reddish, no coloring, no messy, yummy, delicious. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.